Alrighty, guys, we got a trade recap for the channel today. Literally just going to be a quick, easy video on the trade recap of what we took, why we took it, how it got break even, whatnot, whatnot. So, yesterday moved very bullish upwards. We can see crazy candle. Obviously, that was Trump's tweet. But like I said, we're pretty much just going to chop around until we actually break out of this, and then we're going to go take out all these highs, and we have all the highs on the higher time frame farther away. All of these are going to get taken out once we get that, once we like flip fully bullish here. But until that happens, probably just going to be in this range. Kind of anticipated the trade a little bit. Not saying it was a bad trade. It was looking pretty solid, but I don't know. Now looking at it, I didn't really expect it to play out like I should have. Coming into market open, we were obviously bullish. I'm definitely not bearish until we invalidate this entire candle right here, just because of how bullish it is. But I was looking to target these 1 hour highs we put in yesterday. Either these 1 hour or these ones up here, which was the high of the day yesterday. So I was looking to target either of them coming into market open. We retrace, we create an SMT at these lows, I believe, and this is just forming my bias to basically push price higher. So I want to take a trade to these highs because they were closest, and I was simply just waiting for a nice rejection off of these lows, which we eventually got. And I was going to take this original entry just to this high because I was pretty confident in like a trade like this playing out, but it's not my plan, so I didn't really want to take it. Would have been a mid trade. Would have played out though, but we waited for another strong confirmation candle and enter right there with our TP at these highs and stop loss below the low. And we ended up getting break even on the trade. Price came up, tapped the internal, it slowed down, and then we got break even, and it's just failing to go higher right now. Just came back into this range, something we don't want to see. Um, Something that I do want to point out though is some way you can mitigate your risk a little bit. Let's just say you needed a winning day, for example. You need to make $200 or 150, whatever it is, winning day. So once you see price take out this internal high, you don't really want it to slow down. We see three slow ass candles barely move after it. You don't want to see that, right? You want to see us, get our entry, take out the high, maybe put in a little retrace, and then continue to go right away. We don't want to stall at the high because it's just going to show that we're rejecting it and we're going to go back into our range, or we're just going to get break even or lose on the trade. So one thing you could have done, say this is your stop loss. You say, okay, price is now flushing through this high. We're literally just sitting there. Bang, put this Johnson up right here. Let's just say that's your 200, wherever it is, somewhere around here. That's your $200 profit. You would have made a winning day for your account. We got break even on it, still down $1,000 on the account. We got $1,000 drawdown. What I'm trying to do now is take a decent sized trade. Maybe like $800 to $900 in profit would be pretty sweet. This was like 800, I believe. So that would have been pretty nice. Definitely would have risked a full size trade after this. We would have taken another $1,000. So once we get this next trade going and we get the account back up to around break evenish, then we're gonna enter full size again and take $1,000 risk trade, which I'm starting to get a little more comfortable with. I was always just like, damn, that's $1,000. Like I'm trying to keep this account for as long as I can. But if I look back at my data, like there's so many days where I've won, let's say like 3 or 4 trades in a row, and I'm just not capitalizing off of it because I'm down so much on the account or because I'm risking so little. So it'd be like literally 4 days, 5 days in a row in 2 weeks, I would win a trade, and I'd only be up like $1,000 on the account, which is like $1,000 is good, but that's nothing for a funded account, right? That's a $500 payout if I have my winning days. So I was just like, it would just be bullshit. I wouldn't be actually making any money on the account. So I'm trying to risk heavier, make that $1,000 on my one of my first trades on the account, so I could set the balance at like 1,000. And then I think the main goal this time is going to be getting my account to like 3K, 4K, and then taking out like 1.5K payout, and I still have like at least 2K drawdown so then I can risk $1,000 again. And I want to keep the risk at around $1,000 once I take that first payout, see if we can secure something bigger. But we're just going to try and get that first payout now, take a couple more trades. We have no winning days, obviously, because we haven't taken a winning trade. We've only taken 2 trades on this account. But yeah, we're going to try and take a decent setup maybe next week. Probably won't be trading tomorrow. Fridays are normally the day where I just get off. See what we have going on here on Friday. CPI tomorrow could be pretty solid actually, so I may end up trading. We'll see. We're not gonna do like we're not gonna full port CPI or nothing crazy, but normally when there's red folder news earlier on at 8:30 or at 10, price moves a little more cleanly. It moves with more volume, and that's what I want to see as a trader trading my strategy. So we're gonna probably take a look at tomorrow. I want to see what today ends up doing because I really don't expect us to fail to go higher and take out all these lows. I think we were just on an unfortunate time. Like we weren't in the best conditions right here. We broke out of them. I thought we were going to continue to go higher, but we didn't. Even the 15-minute had a pretty strong close there. But we didn't end up going higher. Not much I can do about it. But yeah, just a quick little trade recap for you guys, a little update on how the account's going, what I plan on doing, how I'm going to trade the account, and yeah, that's about it.